Welcome! This short video will walk you through how to sign up for OLLI classes step by step. First, visit the OLLI website or browse the course catalog to explore available classes. At the top of the webpage, click on Classes. Then click Explore Classes to view a list of our current offerings. Here, you can read class descriptions, meet instructors, or review accessibility information. Take your time and choose classes that fit your schedule and interests. After selecting the classes you would like to register in, click on the registration link provided in your email or on the class page. This link will take you to the OLLI Storefront. Always use the official link, as shared links may not work correctly. Welcome to the OLLI Storefront. At the top of the page, you'll find the OLLI phone number if you need assistance at any time during this process. The storefront is organized into categories and items. Your shopping cart is located in the top right corner of your screen. To begin, click View Category to view available options. Let's start with membership. Here, you'll see options such as New Membership, Renew Membership, and Gift a Membership. To explore other areas of the storefront, use the breadcrumbs near the top of the page or the back button of your internet browser. Clicking on classes, you can see that classes are organized by type of class. Examples of categories include field trips, in-person classes, and online classes. Under items, users may select the $25 non-member payment. After clicking View Category, you'll see a list of available courses. You can click See More to see the full course description. You can also select View Details next to the course price for additional information. Days and location of the course are listed at the bottom of the class description. On the Details page, you can review the instructor's name, course description, and the number of available seats. You'll also find the day, time, and general location of the course listed at the bottom. If you would like to go back to the previous screen, you can click on the back button on the bottom right, or you can choose to navigate using the blue hyperlink breadcrumbs above the course description. When you are ready to register, navigate to the category that you would like to register in, then click View Details for the item you would like to purchase, then click Add to Cart on the bottom right of your screen. After you add an item, your cart will update on the top right corner of your screen. Continue adding items to your cart. When you are done adding all the items you want to register for, open your cart and select Checkout. You can also click the Checkout button in the bottom right corner of your screen. The checkout process has 4 steps. At the top of the page, you'll be able to see what step you are on. Step 1 is Review Items. Here, you can confirm your selection, adjust quantities, or remove items. You can also click View Details to revisit course information. When you are done reviewing the items in your cart, continue to the next step. Step 2 is entering your information. Please be sure to fill in your contact details carefully and complete all fields before continuing to the next step. Step 3 is payment method. To pay for your OLLI classes, select either credit or debit card, or pay using your bank account through eCheck. Choose your preferred option to continue. Please note that a 2.65 processing fee will be applied to all card payments. Take a moment to double-check your billing details before submitting and continuing to the last step. The last step is to review. Before submitting your payment, review all of your information, including email address, items you are purchasing, payment details, as well as contact information provided in earlier steps. Please make sure everything is accurate before clicking the Pay button in the bottom right corner of your screen. That's it! Your registration has been submitted. Once confirmed, you'll be all set to enjoy your OLLI classes. An emailed receipt will be sent automatically to the email address you provided. After your registration is reviewed by OLLI staff, you'll receive a confirmation email from olli@humboldt.edu. If you need help at any point, please contact our team at 707-826-5880. Thank you for being a part of OLLI, and we look forward to learning with you.